Let's dive into a paradox that trips up so many teams.
When we want to improve, our first instinct is to ask, is this team efficient?
Or we look at a single step and ask, is this process fast? And we check if everyone's busy, because busy means productive, right?
And listen, on their own, these questions totally make sense.
But here's the twist. What looks like an improvement locally can feel much worse overall. That's because a system feels work from start to finish, not in isolated little steps. So let's picture a simple process. First you design, then you build, then you test.
Now, what happens if the build team right in the middle suddenly gets way faster? Well, their output explodes, but the teams before and after them, they can't keep up.
So all that extra work, it just starts piling up, creating a massive queue.
And this has some serious unintended consequences. Suddenly there's more waiting and more chaos.
So from the system's point of view, even though one part sped up, the overall flow has slowed. This really gets to the core of two different ideas. First, there's efficiency. And then you have flow. Flow asks a completely different question. And when you see them side by side, the contrast is so clear. It's part versus whole. Trying to optimize just one part, that almost always creates more waiting somewhere else. Now, this isn't about people not working hard enough. It's not a failure of skill. It's really just a mismatch in perspective. The trick is seeing the whole system. So instead of giving you answers, let's end by holding on to some better questions. Just think, which improvement you made just ended up creating a new line somewhere else? And where does one team looking great actually make another team wait around? And finally, what if you only measured the total journey time? What would change then?